You prefer attorney.
Okay. Okay, si June Breluno po ito, Pangulo ng PCC of New South Wales ngayong hapon. Ang plataforma ko ay yung unang-unang kong gagawin ay yung ugnayan po para malaman natin ang mga concern ng mga affiliates. We need the cooperation of the affiliates to make the PCC of New South Wales move sa right direction. And then, next board meeting po namin is Wednesday, so we'll discuss the PNB board na kasi malapit na ang June and there's lots of preparation there. Nagtatanong sila bakit ako nanalo because it's time for change. Change po in this leadership, change in the vision, change in the engagement of the affiliates. Yun po mga programa po, kaya mga affiliates ay binoto po ako. So, yun po.
Also, Mr. Pelunia, are you still going to continue the extension of affiliates out of town?
Yes, we will continue the extension. We will attract membership from other towns. We have currently membership from Campbelltown, from Orange, Davao, Central Coast, and I think Daryl, who is the secretary from Wollongong, Emily Raj is from Central Coast. So we will extend our membership because PCC is the big body of Filipino organization in New South Wales. So we will attract new members. Dadamihan po natin. At the 35th anniversary next year, ito po ay malaki na. Yan ang pangako ko sa inyo.
So Lismore will be also
Yeah,
part of the
Lismore,
Orange,
yes,
no?
yes.
And also, what is the most challenging part to continue your advocacy about this existing situation of PCC?
Yeah, the biggest challenge is to earn the respect of the board, earn the respect of the affiliates, earn the cooperation, because without them, without their support, we cannot po succeed. So yung po ang una kong gagawin yung ugnayan because we need the cooperation of everyone. Wala na po itong mga kabarkada-barkada, ito isang grupo, ito another group. Tayo po ay isang Filipino community and we will do our best na we will retain that unity among the Filipino community po.
What is your stand about the amendment of the proposed amendment of the Constitution?
Yan po ay proposed amendment to Constitution. Yan po ay dapat punta muna sa ugnayan. Ito po ay dapat malaman natin kung ano i-amend sa Constitution. Hindi po ito dapat i-amend kagad na hindi natin nalalaman kung ano mga changes. So, sisimulan po natin uli ang revised Constitution. Hindi po natin yan i-approve without consulting the affiliates po. May tanong pa?
So do you have any message to your affiliates, PCC and your umbrella bodies?
Yeah, message ko po sa mga Filipino community leaders, whether you are already an affiliate of PCC of New South Wales or not, we are encouraging you to please join us in our activities, in our ugnayan. And for those who are not members, please contact me and we will be going around to recruit new members or affiliates.
And last and not the least, what is the strongest thing that you have to change about PCC right now?
Ang unang-una po, I think the strongest challenge dito yung attitude po ng mga affiliates because of the past 2 terms, mga grupo-grupo po, yan po ay dapat natin, huwag na natin sundin, kundi let's think of ourselves as a Filipino community group, not as a part of a certain group. Yan po problema sa ating komunidad kasi may mga barkada-barkada tayo. Pero ngayon po na ano natin ngayon, na ang butuhan ngayon is the affiliates need change. Kaya I think the affiliates will go for change and will consider themselves as the Filipino community as a team. Hindi po ito barkada-barkadahan.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you.